going to go ahead and start with our trim tool here, and we're going to pop this button out here and this button down here. Now that we have these two pins removed, there are two ball studs on the outside that actually go into the body. So we're going to go ahead and use our body trim tool here. When we grab the tail light, I'm going to put it behind the body here and gently pry outward. Once the upper stud is out, you can go ahead and grab the whole tail light and just gently tug it outward, and that'll expose the backside. Now with the clip on here, I want to go ahead and release this lock. Use a small flathead screwdriver, push it on the back side of the clip right here. There we go. Push that in. Next, we want to push on this back tab right here. I'm going to pinch it and release it from the tail light. Now we can go ahead and take the connector, install it, press it on, and don't forget to press the lock on. Now let's go ahead and install the ball studs here. Now here are the sockets here. You want to go ahead and install those. Line it up and just snap it in. So now go ahead and install our locking buttons here. Press it in. Line it up, press it in. Now you want to go ahead and test the lights, make sure everything is operating the way it should.